Are you annoyed with video playback issues on your Chromecast device? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check the video quality on other apps. If you are experiencing video playback issues for a specific app on your Chromecast, you can check the picture quality on other apps to determine if the issue is isolated to that specific source. Sometimes the problem may be due to a temporary glitch with that specific app. If other channels or apps are working fine, the issue is likely with the initial source and you may need to wait for it to resolve or try troubleshooting steps specific to that app. You can also restart the Chromecast device and see if that helps. Method 2. Check the Wi-Fi signal strength. Move your Chromecast closer to your router as this can improve the signal strength and resolve connectivity issues. The LED light on your Chromecast device can give you a quick indication of its network status. A solid white light means it is connected, while a blinking light indicates it's trying to connect or there is an issue. You can check the status of the internet connection from settings. From the home screen, navigate to settings. Go to the network and internet section. Check if the Wi-Fi toggle is turned on and the device is connected to a stable network. You can change the network device and check if that works. You can also connect your service provider if necessary. Method 3. Enable or disable VPNs. To potentially improve video quality on your Chromecast, you can consider enabling or disabling your VPN. So, you can try enabling a VPN service if you are not using one. If you are already using a VPN service, then try disabling it. Check what enhances or hinders your video quality based on your specific network conditions. Method 4. Update Chromecast firmware. The next thing you can do is check if your Chromecast is running the latest firmware settings. For that, navigate to Settings from the home screen. Select All Settings. Scroll down and select System. Then select About and select System Update. If there is any update available, download and install the update. Once the update is installed, you can restart your device and check if the issue is solved. Method 5. Try a lower resolution. The next thing you can do is try a lower resolution to stream the video. To do that, navigate to Chromecast, then select Display and Sound. Then select Resolution. Then try a lower resolution and check if the video is playing now. Method 6. Check the HDMI connection. To ensure a stable connection and optimal performance, it's important to verify the HDMI connection between your Chromecast and TV or monitor. Make sure the HDMI cable is firmly plugged into both your Chromecast device and the HDMI port on your TV or monitor. A loose connection can cause video playback issues. Examine the HDMI cable for any visible damage or wear. If the cable is frayed, kinked, or bent, it might be causing connectivity issues. Consider replacing it with a new one if necessary. Also, check the port and make sure it's working. You can also try a different port if available and then check, and then the picture quality. And there you have it, the methods to fix the video playback issues on a Chromecast device. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.